Okay, you're on now. Okay, right now I'm holding her. Are you gonna go underwater now or what?
No.
What are you gonna do?
I'm just gonna swim.
All right, you swim, but no splashing. Hold on to the railing. Hold on to the railing. You're holding on? My hand is right here. Good, good. Great job. You did halfway through the pool.
Yeah.
Good, now, Jen, you're gonna swim back. Ready? Go. Go get him. Keep on kicking. Keep on kicking. Keep on kicking. Grab that edge. Good job. Take a bow.
No.
You want to take a bow?
No.
Are you out of breath?
Yeah.
Just relax. Calm down.
Look, I see Daddy on the water.
Who?
I see Daddy on the water.
Daddy's not underwater. Daddy's not even here.
No, look.
Where?
He's on the water.
You're right. He's invisible. Your daddy's invisible.
Yeah.
Could you swim underwater?
No.
Swim underwater to there. Let me see. Go ahead.
No.
No? All right, I'm going to shut this off.
Yeah.